Hi, welcome to my channel. This video I will be dividing it in like maybe 3 or 4. In this first one I will be applying acrylic, so I will be doing all the application, kind of like talking about the ratio between the amount of monomer and polymer to make the perfect pearl. I'm really still learning and trying to make my best. Please subscribe and like this video. I'm also in Instagram. You can also follow me there, La Via es Bella #1. I will be leaving all the products that I will be using in the description box. Once again, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. The nails were already prepped before I start applying the acrylic. I'm using the Mia Secret Cover Beige and also the Mia Secret Crystal Acrylic. The monomer is the Odorless monomer from Mia Secret. The brush that I'm using is Pana #8 Kolinsky brush. Everything will be down below in the description box. I try to make small pearls. I noticed that actually works better for me instead of taking a lot of or a large pearl. I'm still learning in managing the ratio and also managing the application. So taking small pearls work for me. I'm trying to encapsulate all the stickers, so once I start filing they don't go away or I don't destroy them. You have to make sure that you encapsulate all those arts real well so you don't lose them once you're filing. Make sure that you are looking at the nail in different angles so you know where to apply more acrylic and how to build that apex. If you pay attention, you will notice where do you need more acrylic. as you can see, I'm finishing the application. On the next video, I will show you how I file them, and I will be also using the dust collector so you guys see if it works or not. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.